standing there anymore.
So, this car. Go around. Go around. So, Subaru just slammed into a parked garbage truck. Slammed. High speed, no brakes. Crash!
You know, the question that's going through my head is like, how the fuck could you not see?
Well, he asked the garbage truck driver, why did you park here? Why are you drunk?
If you're sober, you'll see a giant fucking parked garbage.
Yeah. When you're flying down Union and there's a garbage truck with flashers and
Yeah.
high beams. Yeah, would you run headfirst into that? Well, looks like I'll be passing this video on to the Seattle utilities tomorrow. Yeah, head first into a garbage truck.